The Electrical Mobility Interactive Calculator helps you compute carrier mobility and related parameters for semiconductor materials and electrical conductivity analysis. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Calculate Mobility from Drift Velocity, Calculate Drift Velocity, Calculate Conductivity from Mobility, Calculate Diffusion Coefficient using Einstein relation, Calculate Mobility from Relaxation Time, or Calculate Hall Mobility. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Mobility from Drift Velocity. Now enter your input values: drift velocity in meters per second, electric field in volts per meter, mobility in square meters per volt second, carrier density in carriers per cubic meter, carrier charge which defaults to 1.60217634 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs, temperature defaulting to 300 Kelvin, relaxation time in seconds, effective mass in kilograms, Hall coefficient in cubic meters per coulomb, and resistivity in ohm meters. For our example, I've entered 10 for drift velocity, 10 for electric field, and kept the default values for carrier charge and temperature. After clicking Calculate, the results show mobility equals 1,000 times 10 to the 0 square meters per volt second, which also equals 1,000 times 10 to the 4 square centimeters per volt second. This calculator streamlines complex electrical mobility calculations for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.